He's self-taught, very proud. We have a young artistic baker with us today to share his love for baking. High school student Ron Walters joins us. Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am.
It's good to have you. Wow, your voice is in HD. So, tell us a little bit about Rowan. Rowan, you're a high school at Garvey.
Yes, I attend the Garvey Massey High School
You're
in
16 years
4th
old?
form, just 16 years old.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me a little bit about your love for baking.
So my love for baking started back in first form in high school. So it is something that my mommy always wanted to do, but she never got a chance to do it because she got too busy being a parent and being a wife. So yes, so I take it up on myself. And
So she bakes,
yes, she bakes a lot.
but she just never had the time to do
She
it.
just never had the time to pursue.
So you took up her
Yes,
dream and
ma'am.
made it your dream. So beautiful. It really is.
Yes.
So she
ma'am.
taught you?
No, I am self-taught with the help of YouTube.
Oh, you went to YouTube University.
Yes, ma'am.
How long did it take you to kind of figure it all out?
Well, I started in 2020 when I wanted to make my mom's wedding cake, but I wasn't able because I didn't have the knowledge at that time. So that's when I realized that I really need to start working harder. So it started about in 2020 of December. Yes.
And now this is where you are from 2020
Yes,
till
from
now? You haven't been doing anything else?
I'm
Is
in
that your work
school,
on the
but-
screen?
Yes, all of those are my work.
Wow,
Yes,
sir. Okay, so let's talk through some of the things you have on set today. So you've made,
Cupcakes and cakes and rock buns.
and so this is a business for you now, right?
Yes, basically I have a lot of customers and
What you said to me?
yes, ma'am.
So how you market?
It's not bad.
How,
at all.
how do you market? Do you market in social media?
Yes,
or
I
how
use
do folks-
social media and my community. I'm from Portland Cottage in Clarendon.
Ah. So tell me about the first business deal you ever did, the first cake you bake and say, I'm going to sell this.
Yes. So it started with my grand aunt. She saw my work at home and she was like, why didn't you do this? And my dad also encouraged me to start showing the world what I can do. So yes, and I made my first cake from my grand aunt, grandson, and they loved it, so I continued.
And so from there, other people started to buy cakes.
Yes, from
and-
there, I post my pictures on Instagram and persons were like, you sell them? At first I was like, no, I don't know what I'm doing. And then I just built my confidence and I started.
What's your best seller?
My best seller is my cocomelon cake.
Your what?
A cocomelon cake.
What
So
is
there is
that?
this small, it's a cartoon character.
Oh, cocoa melon.
Yes, cocomelon.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
And I use vanilla and banana flavor.
Oh, oh, that sounds like it would taste good.
Yes, it's on the screen.
So how do you make your pastry different? Because banana and vanilla sounds like something you wouldn't traditionally get.
Yes.
So it sounds
So
like
the
you try to do
traditional
things that are
the
different.
traditional flavors are like chocolate and vanilla. But I try to go out of the box and create new things. My mom would always say like, make sure when you create something that you want, when you create new things, you do
Original
it.
too.
Yes.
Yeah. So outside of like a vanilla and a banana flavor, what
So
other
I do a
original
cream cheese.
combinations?
I do a cream cheese icing and original icing. So a cream cheese is not really something popular. And as I said before, I do banana.
So tell me, what we have here? These are regular vanilla cupcakes?
These are regular vanilla and chocolate.
Okay.
Yes.
What is this cake?
Yes.
The
And this
small
is
Jamaica cake.
yes, a small Jamaica cake
What
I
is-
made
what
for
is
you
inside
guys.
it, if I were
So
to
it's
cut
just
it?
a simple chocolate.
Oh,
cake.
okay. Simple chocolate.
Yes.
And
the
what's this here?
demonstration.
Chocolate
That's a
as well?
rosette chocolate cake, yes.
Okay, so but cakes alone are not your specialty, so you do cookies too.
Yes, so I do rock buns.
Oh, this is a rock. I knew that.
Yes, rock bun.
Rock bun is a rock bun. I'm not
Yes,
gonna
if you're
lie.
interested, I could show you some demonstration.
Sure. So let me put this to the front and just go ahead and decorate one first. So what is this like? Go ahead. We can talk while you. Oh, you want
So,
me to
yes,
do
I
one?
want-
I knew that. Okay. All right. Him, can I please have a call it?
Piping bag.
I knew that. It's a piping bag.
All right, so you start in the
Good.
middle.
Smell good, you see, man?
Start in the middle,
Start in the middle
and you go around with full pressure.
with full pressure. Oh God, Marvin, don't pressure me, Marvin. Don't pressure you. You give me full pressure, Marvin, from out there, so.
Not bad.
It's good. It's a rose. It looks like a roses.
Let me try that one.
Come, Nev, you should have it.
Yeah, from you do it.
You volunteer yourself.
Yeah, from you
Enjoy.
do it, I will have it.
Enjoy. All right. So this is your goal. You want to build this out, and this is going to be like a big business for you. Is that the plan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, I want to further my career in human ecology. So I am interested in teaching, but I'm also interested in business, for example, making a bakery or something like that. But I am very, very interested in teaching. I was saying it to my foods teacher the other day, and she was like, yes, if she did it, I can do it too. So
Of course. Of course. After Gavin must say, where are you setting your sights on for study?
I am not sure if I want to further my career in teaching. So if teaching, I'm looking towards a teacher's college. If not, I'm looking towards a Heart
For
Institute.
sure. For sure. You
Same
can't
as the
go wrong
greatest.
there.
I've never had anything taste.
I say, nice one. It's me do it.
You are the greatest.
I'm the EST.
He's a good co-host.
It was original of you.
Well, it's not really me make it. It's Ron.
No.
Ron, you must love.
That not taste as good as the ice.
Okay, but I didn't make the icing. Yeah. All I did was Okay, where are you on Instagram?
I am on Instagram at chef_boy.
Okay.
And my cake page is in the bio of my page.
Gotcha.
And I also have a WhatsApp business at 876-801-2172.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, I wish you all the best, young man.
Yes, thank you very
Obviously,
much.
have magic in your hands.
Thank you
for
very
coming in
much.
this morning.
Yes, thank you for
Right,
having me.
Rowan, stopping by this morning, Rowan Walters. Can you please come and wrap the show? Are you finished having your cupcake? Folks, we're back tomorrow, 9 o'clock, because of Olympics. You're here at 5 o'clock tomorrow. 6? What time is the pre?
No, I think the pre is about
8?
8. Yeah.
Okay. So you see him for a bit, and then you see myself and Dale's, and then the Olympics will be going on SN, and whole heap of options for you. So whatever you choose to do today, please find something to smile about. Have a wonderful day. As Neb would say, keep safe, sanitize, wash your hands. What else? Social distance.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he who is devoid of the power to forgive is devoid of the power to love.
It's a fact.
Who said that?
Martin Luther King
Junior, a friend.
Jr. Bye, everybody.
Y'all
Have a
take
great
care.
day.